new product, and we're gonna see if it works for both textures of our hair.
Keep on watching and subscribe.
Oh.
So I totally messed up and deleted the first part of my video. Therefore, we're just gonna start from this part of my hair tutorial. But honestly, it's kind of like the same thing that I like the same method that I did on my first video on this channel. So, you know, spritz the hair, put the product in, which I didn't show, but I showed in the first clip, but I deleted that obviously, so you can't see it. But I'll insert a picture here. But yeah, so I put the product in after I spritz it and then brush it out to distribute the product evenly throughout the section of your hair. And then you put the gel in, which I'll insert a picture of what gel I'm using as well. And yeah, y'all, okay, this gel is amazing. Like, the way that it feels on my hair, the slip is unreal, and like it just glides through my fingers. And yeah, that's basically what I be doing throughout my hair. You know, spritz the hair, put the product in, brush it out, put the gel in, brush it out, and scrunch, and that's it. And that's the steps that I'm gonna be using on my hair, and same as Delany's hair. Also, one thing that I want to tell you guys about this gel is that it flakes, since obviously it's flaxseed gel. So no matter what kind of gel that you're using, you know, like a flaxseed gel that you bought or homemade flaxseed gel is gonna flake, you know. And if you notice it in my intro video on my hair and Delany's hair, you'll see like white flakes, and that's the gel. But at the end of this video, you see that the flake is gone. So definitely it's no problem that it flakes. It's natural. It's what it's supposed to be doing since it's flaxseed. It's gonna go away once your hair is dry. Also, this gel is super light, so it's not very heavy on your hair, which makes your hair fluffy. So if you want like fluffy curls, and you want like a gel that's not crunchy and is really fluffy, this gel is the way to go. And it doesn't really clumps up your curls, but it defines your curls and gives you fluff. So I really like it. But yeah, so this is how I do my hair. So I'm gonna just stop talking now and show y'all how I do her hair.
Wait, can we talk during this?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, I didn't know.
Also, guys, my girl right here purchased the brush I'll be using, as I sell a few. So yeah, as you can see, it's doing her hair justice.
Okay. So we are back. Okay. Our hair is like dry now. Is yours completely dry?
The back of mine is a little scrunchy. But
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, low-key mine too. So, y'all, this product is actually awesome. And she was saying like she was trying to, what'd you say?
Like separate the curls, you know?
Yeah, like I did.
Mhm.
Yeah. So I haven't separated my curls yet. And y'all, okay, let me show y'all her like hair texture, okay? So do you see this? Do you see like how super curly it is? Like that brush literally defined all her curls. But then like here, and then like the top of her hair is like wavy. You know, it's crazy texture. But we're here to tell y'all that this product is freaking awesome and super cheap, $6.99. All you college kids. Yeah. So all you college students, go ahead and purchase it. This is not sponsored at all. I'm just helping my fellow people out.
Come on.
And yeah, I was gonna say go vote, but this is probably gonna be posted like after.
Oh yeah.
It's over. So you know what you should do though? You should go subscribe and like my video.
Oh.
We're just goofy. Okay, bye y'all.